observation and give a signal as well, please.
Oh.
Wait, stop. Did you see that grey car, this car coming around that? When you look at the right shoulder, you know, looking over there? The car to the right in the lawn.
Why didn't you see that?
Huh? Okay, do it again, one more time. Huh? That's it. Look in the roundabout as well, you're turning right there. That's why you know it over. That's it. Good.
Seems
Good.
good.
Yes. Gentle, yeah? It's not fast road. And last lesson is it's like a nighttime lesson, is it?
First, second, and third.
No, that's the fourth. That's the first, second, third. This is the fourth. No worries, no.
We can go from.
No, yeah, no worries. Take the next road on the left, please. See where the motorbike turn?
From here.
Yeah, turn left. Clutch should be up, right? No clutch down, please. Good. Then turn in right here. Why do you stop the car?
Fully brake.
Huh? Why do you stop?
I thought I should.
Keep coming there, but watch out, slow down please. Look into the bend please. You're so fast to build the speed, eh? Can you go forward into the bay here? Just drive into the bay please, any way you like.
On my right.
Yes, any way you like. Then move slowly. Feet still.
Feet still.
When I say feet still, you keep the feet where at the moment. Okay. Bring the biting point again. Feet still means hold the clutch that point.
Yeah.
Okay. Lift the clutch tiny bit higher to move. Again, feet still that point.
Okay.
Bit more higher and holding that point. Then if you want to stop, that's it. Signal cancel please. Okay. Left middle lane. What's the light source? Can you go?
Yeah.
Yeah. Go please. Gentle, not building a harder please. Good lane, very good.
And we are going second.
Second lane, that's the first exit. Good.
First. This is.
Okay, signal to exit, but you're keeping your lane, Keeping your lane to take the exit.
This is second.
That's
Right.
good. Just check the left as well. Perfect. What's the speed limit over here?
Next.
What is the speed? What's the plan now? We need to come back to that?
Left.
That's it. Signal cancel. Okay. Next roundabout, we're going to turn right, third exit please. Planning earlier please,
Yeah.
Second, take the second exit, follow the road, go to the right lane, start to slow down, plan your gear as well, and observe the roundabout earlier.
Yeah, we can.
Then go to the right. Now we come to the middle, your lane take to the middle, check the left mirror, middle, not to the left, middle. Okay. Signal left to exit.
Second exit, right?
Yes, signal left to exit, but keep in your lane.
Oh, okay.
Check your lane, which lane is your lane?
Second.
Middle lane, that's
Middle
it.
lane, yeah.
So that's a Roman roundabout, Off gas, don't accelerate, off gas. Look, middle lane, we're going to go again, follow the road, we're already on the lane. U-turn at the small roundabout.
Right. If he's more slow, then definitely.
More slow and definitely
he's
going there, yes.
And making
We
speed,
look,
he will go straight.
look at where we're looking, and but definitely the middle one is a blocker. I would say you use the middle lane, use as a blocker. Okay. Inner lane, don't go. Sometimes they will come around. Unless you are very good observe the driver and their speed. That's the only watch out. Okay. So when you exit here, will you going to exit the left or last bit?
I was only thinking to go with second lane only, so that's why I didn't change the lane after that.
In the lane there. Don't speed up, please. Clutch should be up, Clutch should be up. No clutch down. You go. No give away. You exit on the right lane, please, Very tight at the turn. Middle lane to follow the road ahead, please. Okay. Okay. So what you need to do? It was very good. You come with the right signal on. You come into the right. Okay. Then you start sliding in this point, please. So come to the left. Okay.
Mhm.
What you was doing, you are coming here, but you are going to the middle. Then you come to the left. Your priority, please. Okay, can you go forward into the bay? Just park the car into the bay, please. And we will go. Stop. Okay. Corner of the curb start about here. The corner will come about this point.
Okay.
Okay, that's the point.
Mhm.
We're going to start to turn.
Okay.
Normally you see the driving position here,
Right.
which is never signal very slowing down. In the point come out roughly. I'm talking about like
Roughly,
right.
yeah.
Suppose you're sitting with someone that point, you
Mhm.
follow that point. Then
Okay.
you check in the mirror. Okay. So we're reversing back. You're back going this side.
Mhm.
You're front facing that side, please. Engine is on, Okay. Okay, good. Okay, I'm going to turn left here.
Turn left, right.
Why? Second time stalling.
Why this is?
So you need to hold the clutch 2 seconds when the car will move. You're like releasing straight away.
Oh, okay, not able to hold proper.
Yeah, you need to freeze your left foot on the clutch. Go to first gear. Okay, look around quickly, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, then bring the clutch. When the car will move, hold the clutch for 2 seconds, 2 seconds hold it. Then slowly release it.
Okay.
Okay, turn left here. I want to show you this point, Okay. Keep going a bit more. This time you can't see. This is the point.
Oh, okay.
You just start to turn. But this curve is very sharp.
Right.
Yeah?
So, but usually if I'm
You-
stopping
if it-
like somewhere here,
somewhere there, no.
right, in that small
Small
one
where
you can see.
yeah?
Right. Okay.
Okay. Do the same thing. Turn left again. Turn left again. Right?
So,
Yeah. Start to turn now. Not fully. Not fully. Not fully.
this is too much.
Yeah, this is too much. Yes. Okay. Can you do the next left turn? Let me see the next left turn. Turn left here. Signal left side, please. No, too early this time. Okay, now start to left. Half. That's it, good. Okay, let me see the next one, please. Yeah, start to turn like this. So you come to this side rather than going to the other side.
Right.
This is a sharp turn, but normally turn a bit more gentle. Okay, we turn in right and turn in left,
Turning right and right.
And then turn left again after that. You need to follow the curb again, This car position wrong. You get it? You need to follow the curb,
Oh.
Yeah, follow the curb. Turn it more like this. Perfect, like that.